Good morning, it's Simon at the video of the day. I will show you where I sang to the moon. There's a bridge. It's like in Las Vegas, the DVD of Andrea Bocelli. There's the bridge over a lake, but it's an artificial lake in Las Vegas, I think, or something, a reservoir. So, look at that. It's a great setting to make an outdoor show. They do some, but a major one or 5,000 people, maybe, or Washington Square at the State University, San Jose State University. I want to just have a word on the security issue. The problem, since the very beginning that I'm in the Bay Area, some people, they arrive near your hotel, in the parking, in the libraries, public libraries, in the public transportation, in the groceries, in the retail store. They give themselves an attitude of being a federal agent, a federal police, from Canada or the United States, 100% of the time. After, with the experience, what you do online, what you do in the street, how you manage your immigration, if you work legally or not, you can establish patterns in their behaviors. When are they helpful to you? When do they threaten you? That's why I established that they pretend to be undercover, to be legally allowed to act undercover. Puis, after, they don't care, it's all good. Just say you knew it. That's the pattern. Alors, they pretend to be undercover, to legally act undercover, puis it's your problem, it's your business if you have sufferings, poverty, illness, or things like that. But the problem, là, c'est when you are victim of violence, they're not there. It's empty around you. Even cars and trucks don't pass. When in public libraries, you are victim of threats, là, the gesture of threats, or they're not there. They don't intervene. They don't speak for you. After, you're the one who's arrested. You follow the law, you're arrested. After, lies about what you did, your state of health, your health, lies about your health, lies about what you do daily. After, they give themselves an attitude, they work for a studio, production studio, movies especially, and they pressure the competition. But they started to make looks of friends I had in Canada, of my family members in the street, especially Latino people. But it never helped me in any kind of ways. Puis after, when you need 3 meals a day, they're never there to stand for you. When you need to do the shower or a laundry, they're never there to make the service available, even if it's free, puis you're legally allowed. Alors, it's a pattern I establish. So, you have to be patient. Patient is always rewarded. Alors, sometimes they're more in an organized crime, but they don't tell themselves that because they have no choice. Some they are in debt, that kind of organization. Tu sais, big, beautiful front, puis after, they don't have a diploma, they take drugs, they take alcohol, puis they pay women to sleep. Bon, I understand why people are not lucky, but some are born in that, puis they wish they would have never been born in that. So you have to understand, like my father said some have their hands tied in their back, they cannot untie them. It's very suffering all their life. Alors, they're paid to give an image, a front, show business. Celine Dion said there's nobody that can have a career like I did. And I think it's in that way she was not in organized crime, Celine Dion. She was singing her best at every time, and that's not the way they do it. Alors, why do they give themselves an attitude of a police? Being authorized to act undercover. You notice, my mother said, you notice who is your true friends when you have a difficulty. When you have a difficulty, you notice who's there, puis who's not there, puis who helps you, puis who doesn't help you. Puis after, they pull the blanket in their direction, to their church, their community, puis they exclude anybody else. Puis you have to be very understanding towards politicians that are elected. They are a target number one of those people. Puis, after they say, oh, you see, Simon, your stars, politicians, they don't help you, they let you suffer, Mark Zuckerberg doesn't intervene, he let you suffer. Puis, I was very clear arriving here. Là. people are responsible of my security, it's myself. Puis after, the sheriff, the police of the city I'm in are responsible to apply the law. To enforce the law. It's not Mark Zuckerberg, Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, Ellen DeGeneres, Jimmy Fallon, Michael Bublé, Josh Groban, Céline Dion, or anybody else, Hillary Clinton. After, là, they have tradition in show business to associate with another person. I'm not in that tradition. I never did show business really big. Alors, with the là aussi, ils talk shit. It's because they don't want to be overcharged, have a charge, to be arrested, to have a more suffering life than they have. But when it goes completely mentally ill, it's because they lose the common good, the common interest, puis they don't understand how to create a job. When you always destroy the competition for fun, for revenge, for a game, for a thrill, to pretend you're associated with an artist, when you pressure a baseball player, a football player, an artist, a talk show host, a singer, just for the thrill, to show your power, le mental illness arrive when you lose your autocritique, when you don't have your mindfulness of the moment, when you forget that everybody deserves a job, you forget how to create an economy that rolls by itself, you forget that everybody can be happy. It's because at a moment, taking gifts and money over the years, they have to buy back their freedom. They have to pay back the money, pay back the jobs. When you receive a lot of rewards, advantage, gift from an organized crime organization, if you want to be free, you have to pay back everything. My family, my mom, my dad, my sisters, my brother, we never took gifts like that. We're poor, most. We never had a great career. We were attacked in my childhood a lot because they were pressuring my father. He was doing the pension plan for all employees of the government of Quebec. They were afraid not to be paid in the 2000. So you see my point? Alors, it's very difficult for the police to intervene. They act in the crack that it's never severe enough to call 911. But how do you set free people? Ben, first, entertainment change the idea of people. Puis you have a better time, puis you have a better life, puis you learn something. Show business, entertainment. Michael Bublé is a great entertainer. We're entertained. But when you receive gifts and job and rewards and privileges, ben, you have to pay things back to earn your freedom. Puis when you don't accept gift and money, you're supposed to be left alone. Puis you're supposed to, especially women and children, puis you're not supposed to bring women and children in that system. Alors, that's how I make a difference. Puis I think those who communicate with the artists, they do that very discreetly. I'm not even aware how it works. But I have to tell that the comments I make them on Facebook or Twitter, on LinkedIn or Pinterest or Google. So if I write on the Facebook page at Barbara Streisand, I like that song. So I don't need a network, an organization to go to Barbara Streisand and to control her, puis inform her. That's the revolution of Facebook. Every artist that I like, I wrote them the songs that I like. So they just have to open their account. They have a comment from Simon Boulanger. Alors, ça court-circuite. It's all the network of pressuring, of threats. That's why Mark Zuckerberg was under pressure a lot. And others, they didn't want to do a social network like Facebook. It's too much trouble, too much pressure, too much threats. So he was very courageous. I don't know if you get my point.